Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the Riot client and Valorant are updated. This prevents protocol mismatches that cause VAN79. Next, open services and verify VGC and Riot client services are running. If not, start them and set to automatic so they persist after reboot. Once done, remove or disable any VPN, proxy, or third-party firewall because they often block the anti-cheat handshake. Make sure your OS updates are applied. Outdated network stacks can trigger connection refusals. Now focus on deeper network and anti-cheat layers. Run netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset to clear corrupt network settings, then flush DNS and renew your IP so cached routes aren't causing timeouts. After that, repair or reinstall Riot Vanguard. Permission issues or corrupt drivers often present as VAN79. Run the game and Vanguard with administrator privileges to ensure driver-level hooks load. If you're using custom network adapters, disable them temporarily to avoid driver conflicts while testing connectivity. Finish by confirming your router isn't blocking Riot. Enable UPnP or forward the required ports, and check NAT type. A strict NAT can block matchmaking and anti-cheat. If problems persist, test on a mobile hotspot or friend's network to determine if the ISP is the culprit. Finally, collect Riot client and Vanguard logs from program data /Riot games and prepare them for support. If all else fails, contact Riot with those logs. One troubleshooting tip: try a clean boot to rule out start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.